All right, I have a quick question for you. When you dry your laundry, do you use dryer sheets? If you do, I have a safer alternative to help remove harmful chemicals out of your house. So please enjoy the video. Hi, I'm AJ, and I'm an independent sales consultant for Norwex. And now it's time to get down to business. Let's talk about those dryer sheets. Now think about it. Do you know that you waste money when you buy those dryer sheets? You're like, how do I waste money? Because one, when you use them, what do? Once they're done, you just pick them up and throw them into the trash. So that's how you're wasting your money. And let's talk about dryer sheets. Another thing that I've noticed is that they have that wax coating on them. And then when you dry your clothing, where does the wax go? Think about it. It either goes into your clothes or it goes into the dryer vent. So if they go into the dryer vent, that's not good either, because they're causing a wax coating on the dryer vent, which could prevent air circulation and could cause a fire. But I have a safer alternative, and they're the Norwex dryer balls. They come in a set of 3. They're 100% New Zealand wool. And what you do is just place all 3 of these into your dryer, and they will fluff up your clothing. And that will save your money. They'll dry your clothes a lot quicker and save your electricity bill. Like I said, just put all 3 in your dryer and they'll start to move around. But on that note, if you like the smell, if you like smells, you can put a few drops of essential oils on these. But technically, if something is clean, it does not have a smell. So just think about that too. I don't put essential oils on mine, but my wife likes the smell of essential oils, so we both have our likes, so we're both happy. And on that note, if they're guaranteed for 2 years. If they come unraveled, all you have to do is place these into a tube sock, put them into the washing machine on the hottest water setting, and then once they're done, take them out of the tube sock, place them into your dryer on the hottest setting, and that will help to get them back to normal. They're guaranteed for 2 years. They're a really great buy. So all I'm asking you is just to try these today. You have a 60-day money back guarantee, but you will not be disappointed, and neither will your clothes. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and have a great day. Bye.